Hi, good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Evelyn Tobias. I am 32 years old, a high school graduate. I have a living partner with 2 kids. My
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I have the youngest.
Can you please tell me about your working experience?
I have work experience for 6 years here in the Philippines with a couple. There are 4 members in the family with 3 years old boy and newborn baby. And I do household chores like cooking, cleaning, I do laundry and ironing the clothes, and I go to marketing, and also I gardening.
Are you willing to take care a newborn baby in Hong
Yes,
Kong?
ma'am.
What if the baby is crying? What will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will see the diaper, and if it is wet, I will change it, and if the diaper is wet, I will change it, and if the baby is not, she stopped crying, I will sing a song for them, and a milk and
Okay, do you know how to shower a baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you need to do first?
I prepare like warm water, soap, a towel, and I will take care of her eyes, nose, mouth to fill the water.
What if the baby or the children is very naughty and not listening to you? What will you do?
I will encourage them for playing and sing a song and count number 1, 2, 3. And I will find way for her attention.
Why do you want to come to Hong Kong and who will take care of your kids?
I want to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn money to support my family financially.
Okay, good. In Hong Kong, what will you do if the baby is sick?
If the baby is sick, I will put the temperature, and if she has a fever, I will put the cold fever and tell her mother to bring to hospital for checkup.
Okay, how about if you have homesick?
To avoid homesick, I will work hard, and I will treat my employer as my family, and I will tell them myself that I want money to support my family.
Could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Twinkle, Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Okay, could you... Any food doesn't eat? Are you allergic to any food?
No, ma'am.
What food can you cook?
I cook Filipino food and native food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Can you accept no day off but will be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept take care older person and assist all their needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, beside me, I am a helpful, truthful, and I'm honest, and I'm willing to learn, and I am a good patient for the children, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.